Hello students, in this video we will study the second part of the nutrition in plants from science. In the first video we have discussed about autotrophs, but in this video we will discuss about heterotrophic nutrition. Who have did not seen the first part, I will give the link in the description. Now start. Nutrition in plants that do not contain chlorophyll or heterotrophic nutrients. Heterotrophic nutrients are some plants that do not contain chlorophyll. Like human beings and other non-green plants. Parasitic plants. Parasitic plants are non-green plants that take the nutrients from other plant. The plant that gives food and shelter to the parasitic plant is called host, and the parasitic plants sometimes also called parasites. Some examples are Cuscuta and Mistletoe. Now we will move to insectivorous plants. Insectivorous plants are plants that take their nutrients from the insects. They grow in nitrogen deficient soil to fulfill their nitrogenous compounds. They take insects to fulfill their nitrogenous fulfill their nitrogenous nutrients. Some examples are pitcher plant, Decidia and Nephidis. You can see that this is the lid. If the insect gone below, the lid closed. This is a winged petallo, the leaves of the Nephidis pitcher plant, and it is the Decidia pitcher plant. This is the roots of the plant, and it is the stem, and it is the mouth. If the insect fall, it never come up. You can easily difference between the Nephthys pitcher plant and the Decidia pitcher plant. Now saprotrophs. Saprotrophs are plants that take their nutritional requirements from the dead and decaying animals. For example, coral root and Indian pipe. How do saprotrophs obtain their nutrients? They obtain their nutrients from the dead and decaying animal. You have seen that in the breads there was fungus. If you lift the bread for some days, you will see that some green fussy grass-like structure will grow in the bread. It is also fungus. This fungus is called bread mold. You have also seen in the spoiled wood. In the spoiled wood, there was mushrooms growing. They also saprotrophs who takes nutrients from the spoiled wood. So they take nutrients from the decaying matter, and their digestive juices turn the dead animals into nutrients. Now we will move to symbiotic relationship. Symbiotic relationship is an association of two plants or more plants are called symbiotic relationship. In this relationship, both plants that have in this relationship benefits each other by sharing nutrients and food. Like in the symbiotic relationship lichens, there is two types of autotrophs, two types of plants, algae and fungi. Algae provides nutrients to the fungus, and fungus provides water and minerals to the algae to carry out photosynthesis. You know that algae is an autotroph, so they live in so harsh condition. can live in so harsh conditions. So this is the reason only. This is the only reason. You can easily see that fungus and algae form the lichens. Now in the next we will study about replenishing the soil with nutrients. Plants take nutrients from the soil only. Soil gives nutrients to the plant, but plant take most of the nutrients of the soil. So in some of the period, soil lost its fertility. Fertilizers and manure can again regain the lost fertility of the soil. Some fertilizers and manures containing potassium, phosphorus and nitrogen, all the important nutrients that the plants need. You can also use leguminous plants before planting the important crops. The leguminous plants containing rhizobium bacteria in their nodules roots. They help the plants they convert atmospheric nitrogen to nitrogenous compounds. So farmer need not use the chemical fertilizers and manure. I am telling personally to you that leguminous plants rhizobium bacteria is more effective than chemical fertilizers and manure. Fertilizers is harmful for plants because they have chemicals, but manure and rhizobium bacteria of leguminous plants is not harmful, but rhizobium bacteria of leguminous plants is more effective than manure. On the next you will see that in this picture you see that this red color is the bacteria. The bacteria provides nitrogen to the plant and plant provide the nutrients. This is the rhizobium bacteria. This is also an example of symbiotic relationship. Students, now let's quickly recap what we have read. So today we have read about plants that have not chlorophyll, means heterotrophic nutrients. Heterotrophic nutrients are on different parts like parasitic plants, insectivorous plants, saprotrophs, symbiotic relationship, and other most important that how to replenish the soil's nutrients. And you have seen the picture also. So so if you enjoy this video, like, share, comment, and do not forget to subscribe my channel. Subscribe my channel. Thank you, students.